So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Terry. Hope you're all doing fine. So today I will be doing a wig installation video today. Like, I am super excited for this video, guys. Like, I have been seeing this type of wig all over YouTube and Instagram, and I was like, oh my gosh, I really want one of those wigs because they look so convenient and like super quick and easy. It will definitely fall into my routine like real quick. So super excited about this video, guys. So yeah, let's get into the details. So in advance, guys, if you do hear any background noise, I really do apologize for it. That's like, everyone is at home right now, so yeah, you guys might hear some talking in the background or some buzzing sound, or you know what, I gotta do my I have to do my YouTube videos, guys, like seriously. So please just ignore all of that. We're about to install a hair. This is from Unice or Unice hair, and this is what the box is looking like, guys. So it's the Bet You series, the Bet Your Own Stylist, a Be Different. This is from that series. That's what the box says actually. So in the box we have our hair. Comes in a plastic bag like this, and then we have we got a headband. It's like looking real cute. I love that it is black and it has pink on it, like my favorite color. It comes with a wig cap. I'll definitely be using this in the video today, as well as a card saying Unice, a natural extension of you. Ooh, that's a really nice logo. That's a cute, what do you call them here? Like a jingle, I don't know. That's really nice. A natural extension of you, really like that. So they're telling you where you can find them on Amazon. You just search for Unice or Unice hair and you can find them on Amazon. So on the back you do have like how you can care for your hair right here. Like, it has some really like detailed instructions on how to keep your hair lasting like super long. So yeah, and on the other side, like, there's a code right there. So that's that. Real cute. Really like this packaging. It's like super cute. So let's get into the installation process, guys. Okay, so let's see what this hair is like. So I did get the water wave human hair, and it is like 80 inches long. So as usual, it comes like the hairs comes in the nets. This is like in the color 1B, like it's a natural color. Love this texture. Texture is looking really nice. It's my first time ever like dealing with water wave texture, and so far I like it. I'm like dragging my hands through it, and I have like some shedding going on here, like, but not too much. It's not like it's going bald. So this is what it's looking like, guys. It has the headband in the front, and then you have your tracks going back. So you have your headband right here, and then the track starts like right there. So it's like sewed together. So on the inside you do have two combs. So there's one at the top right here, and then there's one at the bottom right there. So that's what the inside is looking like. Love this construction. Like, this here is going to be well ventilated. This is like going to be like a everyday wig, guys. I mean, when you have a bad hair day, you just slap this on and go. Like, seriously, love. I'm in love with this wig already. I'm gonna install it yet, like seriously. So towards the back you have your tape that you can use to adjust the wig. So it like opens like this. So it's like Velcro. Can open and close, so you can tighten it. And this is great because my head is like super small, so yeah. So I'm just gonna go ahead and like take off my cap, guys. Like I'm looking ratchet today, okay? My hair was like just washed like yesterday and moisturized like this morning. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take this out, and let me show you guys how convenient this wig is, guys. I'm just gonna put my hair in a low ponytail and slap this wig on. Like seriously, I'm not going to worry. The only thing that I'm gonna do is I'm going to like sleeve my edges. Like I'm just gonna go ahead and like lay my edges down so that I can kind of like blend in with the hair. And I purposefully like got the water wave texture because the texture will kind of like blend in with the front part of my hair, as opposed to like getting a straight texture, just in my opinion. Okay, like if you can sleek your hair, then yeah. So I'm just gonna go ahead and like put my hair in a low ponytail like real quick. Doesn't even have to be neat. Like I really don't care for how this ponytail looks right now. Okay, so I'm just like kind of trying to like get this as flat as possible. If you guys like want to like blow dry your hair or smooth it out, you can go ahead and do that. But as I say, like I want this to be like super realistic, like what I would do on a regular day. Like I have a bad hair day, you know, I don't have time to like sleep my hair. I'm in a rush. Most mornings I'm rushing out the door, guys, so I don't have time. Alright, so with this here, we just want to just do the simplest ever. So today for my edges, I'm gonna use the Eco Styler gel, and this is in argan oil. So I'm just gonna like go ahead and lay my edges. Okay, so now that I have my unidirection I want it, I'm just gonna go in my got to be glued blasting free spray for extra hold. Alright, I'm just gonna like spray that on and like manipulate my hair some more. So I'm gonna take the cap that I got in my box. Alright, so I'm gonna apply that to the rest of my hair, like towards the back. Alright, so now for the fun part, I'm gonna like put on my wig. Alright, so like I'm putting the comb like right towards the edge right there. Whoa, guys, like do I even want to use a comb? I guess the comb is like for extra security, so I'm just gonna like put that like right under the wig cap. I wish I could show you guys that, and just like kind of push it in my hair. Okay, so this comes down like, ooh, that is on there, guys. I actually can tighten this some more. So I'm actually I use both my combs, so I push the comb in towards the back, but I'm tightening this. And guys, my head is like super small, so it's like way down, but like there's a flap right here. Let me see if I can like push it under. It's kind of like twisted up towards the back, but I tried to like push it under so that the flap is not really showing right here. Ooh, guys, like, oh my gosh, we can wear it like this, you know, like seriously can wear it like this. So I purchased some headbands, and I also got one headband with this hair, so we're gonna do a little headband try on haul thingy. Okay, I got this with the hair. Just gonna open it up. Ooh, it's really pretty, guys. Like, this is so cute. This is like super cute. I love this hair, guys. It feels so soft. Sure. I really like this here. It's like so soft and convenient. You guys see how like it's bending with my edges? So I'm just gonna like tie this on. Alright, so this part I'm just gonna like push it under the wig to kind of like hide it. This is so cute. I kind of like hid the pink a little bit. If you guys want to show the flowers, you can. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. So in this bottle here, I have water and conditioner. So I'm just gonna like spritz the hair. Not gonna drench it. Just to like coil it up some more. Ooh, look at them curls pop. Look at them curls pop, man. Wow. I think I'm in love with water weave. Like all in all, I really like the texture of this hair. Love the wavy look that it has. Love how easy this is to like install. Guys, if you're in a rush, you have a bad hair day, like you just slap this on your hair and go. You just fling it on, throw it on, slap it on, whatever you want to do, guys, and go. Like literally this can take you less than 10 minutes to install. Like you don't have to worry about your hair underneath. You just put it in a low ponytail, slay your edges, and put this on, tie on your headband or your bandeaus or your headbands, whatever you want to call them. You put them on and you're ready to go, guys. Like I really recommend this wig right here. Like this type of wig is like, it's a must have. Okay, so any other information about this hair will be down in the description below this video, guys. So that's basically it. If you guys liked this video and if you love headband wigs, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also click that bell so you can be notified whenever I drop a new video. So I will see you guys in my next one. Peace.